Hey everyone, today I'm going to do another unboxing. This is going to be Thomas stuff I ordered. There's a Nakayoshi in here, and there's an Ertl engine here. I'm going to get it open right now. Let me take a look. Hold on one second. Just bear with me one moment here while I'm trying to get this open. Now, I am going to do individual views on both of these at some point. Give me 1 second here. I will do individual views on this stuff. So I'm actually going to be doing 4 videos tomorrow because I forgot to do an action figure video this morning. Anyway, so this is the Nakayoshi. This is a battery-powered truck. This is interesting. These rarely come up online. It's not that common. And if you push the button here, it's supposed to turn on, but the battery is actually dead. So, yeah, the battery is dead on this. I don't know if I can replace it. I'm not really sure. I will definitely try to. I hope that there's no leakage or corrosion inside of here. I don't think I'm going to open it to find out. Then we have the Tar and Milk Wagons. Now these are open. They're actually not brand new, but they're in pretty good condition. I'm going to do a more detailed review on these. When time goes by. And that's it for my unboxing for today. I am going to, like I said, going to do a more detailed review on some of this stuff when time goes by. Thank you.